In this video, I'm going to teach you about the dehydration of alcohol to ether. This is very similar to the dehydration of alcohol to ethene. If you haven't watched that video, you can watch it by clicking on the link that I've given in the description box below. So without wasting any more time, let's start the session. Here we have to use excess of alcohol. Let's take an example of an alcohol, say ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol. Okay. So we treat excess of ethyl alcohol with concentrated sulfuric acid at 140 degrees centigrade. So what do we have? We get a diethyl ether. What is this? This is diethyl ether. Okay, let's start with the mechanism. The mechanism is also similar to the dehydration of alcohol to ethene. Now we have the first step. The first step is the protonation of alcohol. We have ethyl alcohol molecule. On oxygen atom we have two lone pairs of electrons, okay? And we have a proton from concentrated sulfuric acid. So these two form a bond with this proton. We have CH3, CH2. So now here we have only one pair and with a positive charge because two of the electrons are involved in the formation of this bond. Okay, what is this? This is a protonated alcohol. This is your first step. Now we come to the second step. See here, we have the protonated alcohol. We want to neutralize this positive charge, okay? So these two electrons from this bond neutralize the positive charge. And so what we have the elimination of water molecule, right? We have the elimination of water molecule and we get a stable, this is a stable ethyl carbonium ion. Next we come to the third step. Carbonium ion attacks another molecule of what? Of ethyl alcohol. So here we have ethyl alcohol. Two lone pairs of electrons. So these two electrons form a bond with this positively charged carbon. And so what we have? CH3, CH2, OCH2, CH3. Now here we have a bond and we have one lone pair with a positive charge. This is your oxonium. What is it? Oxonium ion, okay? Now in the final step, that is step number 4, what do we have? Step number 4, this oxonium ion loses a proton to form an ether. What does it do? To neutralize this positive charge, these electrons from this bond, okay, go to oxygen atom to neutralize this positive charge, and so we have the removal of a proton. Alright, so what do we have? CH3, CH2O, okay, with 2 lone pairs of electrons, and here we have a proton. Now this proton, again, what does it do? It combines with the anionic part of concentrated sulfuric acid to give back the acid H2SO4. What is this? Diethyl ether. So this is the mechanism of the dehydration of alcohol to ether. Remember, your ethyl alcohol is in excess, and this is the temperature.